This is listed at $320. Good affordable price point. Nice overhang here. This is porch. Head inside. Wrap around a spiral case there at the bottom. Right into this can be your formal living, or it could be even a formal office seating area if you like. Could be extension off the formal dining. We'll head there in a moment here. We'll move through to the kitchen. I like the crown molding there and the wainscoting there, as well as the floorboards. Nice touches. Can use some paint, some cleanup. Like the ceiling there. Garage, basement. We'll come back in a moment into the kitchen. Got your fireplace there and family living room area. Got some older touches to this home, and some things have been done. Good stainless steel appliances, older cabinets, countertops, been granite. Not super modern these days, but still works. Good storage. I guess you got quite some room there for whatever you want to do. Maybe a little breakfast nook. Windows look good. Do have some disclosures. I can check on those here. There's that formal dining. A little dark in some areas where we're not able to have any fixtures or chandeliers. You can put some lamps here though for the buy and furnish the home. Standard 2-car, little bit of extra storage there. I like the side entrance. Good storage, good cabinets. Just gonna show the backyard here. It's kind of unique, but they have the extra bonus shed there. Good storage. It looks like they had a little garden there. All fenced in yard, and you can't build anything back there, which is nice. Very private. That's a back course, or a golf course that backs up to there. So it'll be a peaceful, nice seating area. No neighbors behind there, and no one's ever going to build there. Carpet up here is also a little older. Good size room, some organization in the closets there, that's cool. Decent size room here again, but definitely some older carpet, some older fixtures here too. Knobs and handles in the door, but nice woods work around here. It's that backyard again. Ooh, got a power line. Be nice to bury that. Might be difficult though, unfortunately, with the patio. I'd love to see that though. Here is your bath for the bedrooms on either side here to be sharing. Might be the only one up here though. So technically for the primary as well, and all the bedrooms. Tile to the top, that's nice. Hangers, storage. Older Formica countertop and drawers, not bad though. Which could use some updating. This would be considered the primary. Decent sized room. You know, the paint colors are also dark in here as well. You feel that. Good storage here. And the his and hers, or the modern day hers and hers. And into the last fourth bedroom here. Not bad. A little bit of cleanup, touch-up needed there. These days, a lot of people want to kill the carpet and just replace all with some vinyl flooring or some LVP. It'd be really nice. It's a cool touch. Laundry chute. I like that spot, actually. Convenient for everybody. Usually they're towards the bathrooms there. 700 square feet total. Looks like about 400 square feet of finished space, which is probably about the size of the first level, 700 square feet, since we have about 1,700 total here. Some lights on and got some drop ceiling. Looks like they may have had some things they removed off the walls here. Maybe some more LEDs. Old but functional as well. Two sides. I'd want to wall that off at least, or separate the furnace over being out there. I don't know about on the carpet either. Looks like they have a little storage here for their laundry and nice washer and dryer set. Looks like probably a 100 amp panel back there. Oh yeah. Good storage. Water heater is back there as well. Looks like just a little bonus. Looks like a workshop. No drop ceiling in here. And then this is under the stairs. Little storage and looks like there's a room here. Sump pump. Maybe you could do a bathroom down here. So overall, very solid Colonial. This is a 15-mile Dodge Park area. Good affordable home for a newer family or younger couple with kids on the way maybe. Definitely highlights the property of the backyard. Nice kitchen area. Pretty functional layout as well. Definitely going to need a little bit of updates, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, if you're interested in this or have any real estate questions here in general, definitely let me know and look forward to talking to you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one.